Hello class, this is a video tutorial on calculus using different bases. Since we've only applied differentiation to ln of x, in case you forgot, that's log base e of x, we have to apply the change of base in order to differentiate logs of different base. So in case you've forgotten the change of base to base e, so let's say we have log base a, so any base of x, we can change that by taking the natural log of x divided by the natural log of the previous base. Let's do an example here. So let's say we had log base 3 of x. We can convert this to an expression of log base e. So ln of x divided by ln of 3. So we can see the parallels there. Okay, oops. Now from this, we can differentiate by the quotient rule. And I put this in quotation marks because it makes it slightly more difficult. Oh, sorry, slightly more long, but slightly easier if we think of this as a quotient rule. Okay, so let's first do this the long way, but simple. So first we're going to convert this into base e, so f of x. By change of base, it's ln of x over ln of 2. To find this derivative, think of this somewhat as a quotient rule. Let's do this in black as a rule. So this is going to be uv minus uv over v squared. So this becomes, differentiate the derivatives of u and v. So for this, u is ln of x, u prime, well that's 1 on x, v, that's ln of 2. Notice how it has no x values. This is actually just a constant. This is just a number. V prime is actually, well, that's just 0. Following the quotient rule, f prime of x, u prime v, that's ln of 2 on x, minus uv prime, that's ln of x times 0, well, this is nothing, this is actually nothing, divided by v squared, that's ln of 2 squared. If you think about this, this actually just becomes, that's times 1 on ln of 2 squared. Notice how there are 2 ln's on the denominator and 1 on the numerator. We can cross these off, leaving us with 1 on x ln of 2. And this is actually a shortcut that you can think of this. It actually just becomes 1 on x ln of the same denominator. I'll demonstrate to you this in this next example with a quick shortcut here. So first, we'll change this into terms of base e. This is ln of x over ln of 1.05. The derivative of this, that's just 1 on x times 1 on ln of 1.05. Well, that's just 1 on x ln 1.05. Nice quick shortcut there. Well, I hope that gave you an insight into changing the base of log base a of x into terms of log base e, and using that expression to differentiate any base of any log base. Hope to see you in the next video. Best of luck.